Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me again. For those of you that are new here, my name is Gabby, and for those of you that are returning subscribers or you're just passing through my channel, welcome back again. So today's video was inspired by Jojo HK. Thank you, Jojo. So I'm going to be telling you guys about the renting fees in Limerick City, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how to check for apartments and also how to check for the kind of things that are included in the apartments, as well as the areas you can check for apartments. So for this video, I am going to be using three different locations. I'm going to be using Castle Troy, which is close to the University of Limerick. I'm going to be using Limerick City, which is close to Griffith College or Mary Immaculate College. I think Castle Troy is also close to Mary Immaculate College. And lastly, I'm also going to be using Dorador. I don't know what school Dorador is close to. However, a lot of people tend to want to go to Dorador, but I consider Dorador far. But that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video: the renting fees and how to check for apartments, both full houses, and also how to check for shared apartments. So if you feel like this is something that you will be interested in or something that interests you, do not forget to keep watching this video, guys. Okay guys, let's get into this. So I'm going to be using rent.ie, and I chose the county Limerick, and I'm going to choose the area as Castle Troy so that I can show you guys the kind of houses that are available in Castle Troy. Excuse my voice please, because I'm having a little bit of cold, so that's why I sound like a frog. Now, let's get this started. So basically, when you open rent.ie and you put in the area that you want, you see a bunch of houses that are listed, and all you have to do is just click on the one that you think you want, or the one that you think that is something that is related to what you want. So now this first apartment that I clicked on is in Castle Troy, is at Oaklands, very, very, very close to the University of Limerick. It's just like 5 minutes walk to University of Limerick East Gate, and that one was for 600 monthly. It's a studio apartment, and that means that you alone get to stay in the apartment. So now this one is at Bruna Grodan in Castle Troy. It's also close to the University of Limerick. It's close to the Grudy Student Village. It's close to Troy Student Village also. When you see places like Monalyn, Schoolhouse Road, there's one other one, I can't remember the name of the place. Run away from those places. But I'm using this place as an example for you guys. But the only reason why I'm saying run away from those places is because you have to take a bus to and fro. So, and particularly, it's not a place that you can walk to because the distance is not here, and it's up a hill. So when you see Monalyn, try to stay away from it, or you can go with Monalyn. So this is a 3-bed apartment that goes for 1,450 euro. And they say it has 3 bathrooms and it's 3 double beds, but sometimes 3 bathrooms can equal to 2 bathrooms and a toilet downstairs, just in case. And this one is also a Brenner Garden, and it's a 3-bedroom apartment for 1,300 euro. Trust me, guys, that is not bad at all. 1,300 euro for a 3-bedroom apartment is not even bad at all. And Bruno Garden is close to University of Limerick, probably like a 15 to 20 minutes walk, depending on where your faculty is in UL. So they say it's a 3-bed apartment. It's spacious, double room with wardrobe, comes with bath, shower, wash hand basin, and WC. So those are kind of the things that you see when you open an apartment. And also you see the key features that are in the apartments. Things like there's a washer, there's a dryer, there's a parking lot, there's a patio. So you see things like that. So now we're looking at apartments in Duradoyle. So for people who feel like they want to live in Duradoyle, well, I'm showing you guys apartments, or the kind of apartments that they have in Duradoyle, in case you feel like that's the place that you want to stay, or you feel like that's the kind of place that you would want to stay. So excuse me guys, once again, I have a cold again. So this is a two-bedroom apartment, and it goes for 1.3, the same amount that a three-bedroom in Castle Troy goes for. Honestly, which one would you choose if you were you? I'm guessing the three-bedroom that goes for the same price that the two-bedroom goes for. All right, guys, let's continue. So the section I showed you guys before was the rent section where you can find full houses. So now I am in the shared section where you can share an apartment with people who are currently living in the house. So again, I'm starting off with Castle Troy. So let's get started. So the first house I'm choosing is this one on Corabarine, and it's a single bed that costs 290 euro monthly. For a single bed, that's not bad. Another thing you have to watch out for is are bills inclusive or are the bills not inclusive, so that you know this beforehand, and you can find this information like down below. Just after key features, once you pass key features, you will see the property description down below. So it says that bills are shared among 6 tenants: electricity, gas, refuse, fiber, internet. So that means that the 290 euro that you see up there is just for the room. It's not inclusive of bills. I mean, you can find apartments that are inclusive of bills, you can find apartments that are not inclusive of bills, but for a single bedroom, I would say between 250 to 350 euro, it's about enough for a single bedroom. I was gonna say 300, but some of them meant at 350. Okay, so this apartment that we're looking at now is on the Conifers. This is nice. And it says that two people currently occupy the house, and that one goes for 125 weekly. So my advice would be try to stay away from houses that are, that you have to pay weekly, especially if the price is over 100 euro weekly for a single bed. Because the truth is, by the time you have 100 euro weekly, you get to pay 400 euro at the end of the month for a single bed. That's just a little bit pricey. As far as I'm concerned, just a little bit pricey. So I would say that you guys should look for something that is less. If you get something between 70 to 80 euro weekly, that's okay. Okay, so now this apartment is a double bed, and the price per month is 475 euro monthly. And it says two people currently live in the house. They're looking for females only, and the house is not owner occupied, and it's a 5-minute walk from the city center with views of River Shannon. Not bad. And it's a double bedroom. It's not a double bedroom and suite, but it's a double bedroom. So let's keep looking. So when you see Brookfield Hall, that is actually a student accommodation, just in case. Brookfield Hall is a student accommodation. Grudy Student Village, Troy Village, Kappa Villa, those are student villages that are close to the University of Limerick, and maybe Mary Immaculate College, depending on where you get the apartment. So this one is a house at Dock Road. So now we're looking at the houses in city center, and this is 450 for a double bedroom. That's not bad, honestly. For city center, that's not bad. And I don't think that this house is bill inclusive, but be sure to always call, send as many messages as you can, so that you find out, like, you can find out as much as you can from the property that you want to live in. So this is 400, and it's en suite, guys. It's a 400 euro apartment, and it's en suite. Oh my god, I can't explain how nice this is to you guys, because the enjoyment here is that you get your own bathroom, and you don't have to share bathroom with anyone. You don't have to worry about whether someone is washing the bathroom or not. Okay, let's look at something else, or better still, let's just look at every other thing that is there. So basically, this is how you can search for apartments on rent.ie. I would advise to use rent.ie because rent.ie is less stressful than daft.ie. And also you can check for houses in any of these city areas that I'm showing you guys. I know that you just saw Castle Cornell and Castle Troy, but just in case, they are not even close to each other. Castle Cornell is farther, and it's not even close to Castle Troy at all. So try to stay away from Castle Cornell. Okay, guys, I really hope that you understood everything that I said, from showing you how to look for properties in the house section, which is renting as a whole house, or in the shared section if you want to share with people who already live in the house. Something you should be watchful for is, like I said before, is if the house is landlord occupied or if the house is not landlord occupied, right? So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Once again, if you did, why are you hesitant to press the like, to tap that like? Don't be hesitant to tap the like if you really love this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I post a video you get a notification. And if you have any questions at all, do not forget to leave them for me in the comment section down below, or you can send me an email and I'll be happy to reply your messages, guys. Thank you so much. Mwah.